Are you really thinking about buying a Shark Steam Mop? So before you drop any money on purchasing one, let me explain the differences between the Shark Steam Spot, which is the newest one, the Shark Steam Mop, which is one that came out recently, and the Shark Pocket Steam Mop, which came out in 2017. And steam mops are kind of niche because they're not the same as what you get in a wet dry vac. They're not going to be the same as what you get on those steam scrubbers with those rotating pads. But for many people, you won't need that type of investment. But remember, if you have exposed hardwood, vinyl, or laminate, do not get a steam mop. Do not get any type of steam cleaner because you might potentially damage your floors. And in the era where you're looking for something that can disinfect as well as not use any liquid detergent inside, well, the Shark Steam Mop might be the best option for you. But which one to get? Let me help you choose so you can make the best decision for yourself. And this is the Shark Steam Mop. And the difference here is that if you want to produce more steam, you're going to be able to pump it. You have the detachable water tank, and this is something you can pop off. And it's not a huge tank, but this is enough water to last you probably for a good 500, 600 square feet. This has the indicator light in the front, and it's just the same thing as what you get with the Shark. And most of the steam is also coming out of these little holes in the front here. So again, a lot of the steam is concentrated in this area, and it comes with these Velcro pads, which are identical to what you get on the Steam Blast. It is still a very easy to use steam mop because all you need to do to use it is just push it around, pump action, and push. So it's a very easy mechanism here. It's not that much different from the Steam Blaster. The Steam Blaster, even though it doesn't have the pump capabilities, it's going to be just about the same height. And the Steam Blaster is really going to be a more premium version of the Steam Mop. So if you look at the locking mechanisms, it's going to stand up taller. The material choice is going to be better in terms of the thickness as well as the manufacturing. The tanks are going to be larger here. It's about double the size. So if I just pop this out. But don't just fall for the marketing tricks here, because on all three, Shark told us that they were XL tanks. But the funny thing is that the Pocket Mop is coming with the largest tank at 15 ounces, but the Shark Steam Spot has a 15.9 ounce tank, which is 4 ounces bigger than what you get on the 12.68 ounce tank on the Steam Mop. So they're all pretty much the same, just one might be a little bit bigger than the other. But what really drives me crazy is that on the box, Shark is saying, hey, the Shark Steam Spot has 50% better performance than other leading steam mops. But the actual steam mop they're talking about is their own, which is going to be the Shark Steam Mop. So of course, I think it should be better because it's more recent and it's an updated version that costs more money. The Steam Blaster will come with an updated display here that's going to be on top instead of just a light here that you really have to look down on your machine to figure out. It will come with various steam levels that you can adjust by pressing the button here, and that allows you to adjust the steam levels. You have the use of a trigger so you don't have to pump it. And I think if you're sick of pumping to produce the Steam Blaster is going to be the solution for you if you're looking for a Shark unit. There's no reason to buy the Shark Pocket Steam Mop over the Shark Steam Mop, especially because they're just about the same price. And that's because it's going to be more dated, you don't have the removable tank, and you're not getting any of the Velcro pads, which is really annoying when you're trying to clean your floors. All three of these guys are going to weigh just about the same at 4.8 pounds, and all three are going to come with 18-foot cords. It comes down to how usable is it in your space, and unless you're getting the Pocket Mop for nostalgia reasons, I say skip it. Just get either the Steam Mop or, in this case, the Steam Spot. And if you want more cleaning capabilities, you have the Shark Steam Scrub, which are going to have the rotating pads. So not only is this coming with steam, it's not coming with the Steam Blaster, but it does come with steam. It has the LEDs in the front so you can see exactly what you're cleaning, and you're going to have these pads that are going to be just as abrasive, but it's going to do a lot of the work for you. The difference is that the tank size is not going to be as easy because you have to add in the water here. Ultimately, the choice is really simple. If you want a steam mop and you do not want the scrubbing action, the Shark Steam Spot is going to be the best of the best. However, it's going to be 2x the price of a steam mop. And I think in this case, if you just have floors that you're going to be vacuuming prior and there's not a lot of sticky messes, you're not necessarily going to see better performance using the Steam Spot over the Steam Mop. Hypothetically, you could use the SteamSpot to start cleaning your windows. You can use it for other applications, but it's not really meant for that. It's meant to clean your floors. And I know that you want to say, oh wow, the steam is so powerful. And definitely it is way more powerful, especially if you use that Steam Blast. But is it worth it? I'm not sure it's worth it, because for the same price, you might be able to score, like a Bissell Steam Shot plus a Shark Steam Mop. And those two combination is going to be more versatile. They're going to do the same thing. And honestly, if you have a really bad mess, you're probably going to have to use soap anyway. So with that, this is my review for the Shark SteamSpot, a great steam mop, probably Shark's best ever, but it may be a little bit too late because now they have their Shark Steam and Scrub. So I'll catch you next time. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help support our channel. I'm not against these steamers here. I'm just saying, hey, there's a lot of other options and maybe you should take a look at them because they're going to be the same price. So I'll catch you next time. Bye, bye, bye.